4 easy and spooky Halloween recipes, quick and fun party ideas. Recipe number 1, Bloody Strawberry Cheesecake Cups. Ingredients for 4 cups: digestive biscuits, 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, butter, melted, 50 grams, 1.8 ounces, fresh strawberries, 200 grams, 7 ounces, strawberry jam, 3 tablespoons for blood effect, cream cheese, 200 grams, 7 ounces, Greek yogurt or sour cream, 100 grams, 3.5 ounces, powdered sweetener, sugar, 2 to 3 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 teaspoon red food coloring, optional for extra spooky effect. Preparation: 1 base. Crush the biscuits into fine crumbs. Mix with melted butter and press firmly into the bottom of 4 serving glasses. 2. Cream layer. In a bowl, mix cream cheese, Greek yogurt, powdered sugar, and lemon juice until smooth and creamy. Spoon the mixture over the biscuit base. Preparation: 3 bloody strawberry topping. Blend half of the strawberries into a smooth puree, mix with strawberry jam and a drop of red food coloring for a thicker, bloody sauce. Slice the rest of the strawberries and add them on top. Pour the sauce generously, letting it drip down the sides for the spooky effect. Nutritional value, per cup, approximately. Calories: approximately 290 kilocalories. Protein, 6 grams. Carbs, 28 grams. Fat, 16 grams. Recipe number 2, mini pumpkin pies. Ingredients: 12 mini pies, ready-made pie crust, 1 sheet or homemade dough, pumpkin puree, 250 grams, 1 cup, evaporated milk, 120 milliliters, half a cup, egg, 1 large brown sugar, 3 tablespoons ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon pumpkin spice mix, 1 teaspoon or nutmeg plus ginger plus cloves, pinch of salt. Preparation: 1. Prepare the base. Preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius / 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Roll out the pie crust and cut into circles with a glass or cookie cutter. Place them into a greased muffin tin to form small crusts. 2 pumpkin filling in a bowl. Whisk pumpkin puree, egg, sugar, spices, salt, and evaporated milk until smooth. 3. Assemble and bake. Spoon the filling into each mini crust about 2/3 full. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes until the filling sets and the crust is golden. Let cool completely, then decorate with a bit of whipped cream on top if desired. Nutritional value, per mini pie approximately. Calories: approximately 95 kilocalories. Protein: 2 grams. Carbs: 14 grams. Fat: 3 grams. Recipe number 3, monster snack, banana ghosts and mandarin pumpkins. Ingredients for 8 to 10 servings. Banana ghosts: bananas, 4, cut in half. Dark chocolate chips, 20 pieces, for eyes and mouth. Mandarin pumpkins: mandarins, peeled. 8 fresh celery sticks, 2, cut into small stems for pumpkin stalks. Preparation: 1 banana ghosts. Peel bananas and cut them in half. Place each half upright on a plate, flat side down. Use chocolate chips to make 2 eyes and 1 mouth, pressing gently into the banana. Now they look like spooky ghosts. 2 mandarin pumpkins. Peel mandarins carefully, keeping them whole. Cut celery sticks into small pieces, about 2 centimeters. Insert 1 celery piece into the center of each mandarin. They instantly look like mini pumpkins. 3. Serve together. Arrange banana ghosts and mandarin pumpkins on a tray for a colorful, spooky, but healthy Halloween snack platter. Nutritional value, per serving approximately. 1 banana, half, plus 1 mandarin. Calories: approximately 85 kilocalories. Protein: 1 gram. Carbs: 20 grams. Fat: 0.5 grams. Recipe number 4, bloody finger sausages. Ingredients: 10 fingers. Small sausages, frankfurters or hot dog sausages. 10 pieces almonds, halved. 5 to 6 pieces for nails. Ketchup: 4 to 5 tablespoons for blood. Butter or oil: 1 teaspoon for frying, optional. Preparation: shape the fingers. Take the sausages and cut off 1 rounded end. This will be the fingertip. With a small knife, make 3 shallow cuts in the middle to look like finger joints. Add the nails. Gently press half an almond into the cut end of the sausage to form a nail. Cook. You can serve them cold or quickly fry them in a pan with a little butter for more flavor. Finish with blood. Place the sausages on a plate and drizzle ketchup generously around the edges to look like dripping blood. Nutritional value per finger, approximately. Calories, approximately 95 kilocalories. Protein, 4 grams. Carbs, 2 grams. Fat, 8 grams. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, Recipes with Eva.